Now, beginning to work on the back of the neck, we want to reset our foundation. And remember, all of these neck exercises can be done while you're sitting on the floor, sitting in a chair, sitting at your desk, while you're waiting for your car to pull up. I want you to be mindful that you do not have to be in a gym. You don't have to be in that setting to give yourself some relief throughout the day and to continue to work on creating a healthy space for your neck. The first thing that we want to do after we've set our foundation is we're going to tuck our chin slightly. And we want to tuck our chin because we're protecting our cervical vertebrae. And then we're going to look up slightly. Now, we're not looking up to the ceiling. We are looking up where the ceiling and the wall meets. We're looking at that crevice. Tuck your chin, look up slightly, and then we're going to bring our hands up. You can do one of two things. You can either steeple your hands behind your head, or you can place your fingertips right behind your head. Once you have set your foundation, your shoulders are back and down, and you have tucked your chin and you're looking up slightly. You are going to resist and activate the back of the muscles in your neck by pushing your hands into your head, and then you're just going to use your arms to bring your neck and your head down. Wonderful. Come back up. You don't want to go further than what feels comfortable for you. Reset, tuck that chin, look up slightly, and resist, activate the muscles in the back of your neck, and go ahead and bring your head down. Wonderful. How does that feel? Are you noticing anything different? Reset. Go ahead and look up. Good, good, good. Activate, push into the back, into your hands, and go ahead and drop your head. Wonderful. If you can go a little further with each rep, then do so and come back up. Do not forget to breathe. Reset, look up. Good. Go ahead and resist and bring your hands down. Wonderful. Again, we're going to tuck our chin, look up slightly, go ahead and resist, push, 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 push. Come back up and give me 2 more. Reset, look up slightly, your chin is tucked, go ahead and resist and pull your head down. Wonderful. One last time. Go ahead, reset, tuck that chin, look up slightly, go ahead and push your hands into the back, your head into the back of your head into your hands, and bring your head down. And when you're here, just hold for 1 moment. Breathe, breathe, remember to be gentle, and then come back up and shake it out. How does that feel? Remember, engage your core. Your core is always going to be working. We're strengthening our core for our day-to-day posture. But remember, your arms are also working. You're strengthening your arms as well as you're doing this exercise. Breathe, go slow. If you feel any pain, then just back off. Stop, pull back, review the exercises, or skip and move on to the next exercise.